Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best hydraulic hose is probably one of the most essential components in any hydraulic system, responsible for safely and efficiently transferring fluid power. Choosing the right hose is crucial for optimal performance and safety, as it directly impacts the system's ability to handle pressure, resist wear, and prevent leaks. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hydraulic hoses, exploring their construction, specifications, and the key factors to consider when selecting the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Apache 983999072 Hydraulic Hose. This Apache hydraulic hose is rated for up to 5,000 psi, making it ideal for demanding applications. It's designed to handle high-pressure situations with ease, ensuring reliable performance. Featuring solid steel fittings, this hose is built for durability. The robust construction ensures a long lifespan, even under tough conditions. You can count on it to withstand the rigors of your work. The black nitrile tube provides excellent flexibility and oil resistance. This design allows the hose to bend easily while protecting against degradation. It's a reliable choice for various fluids. Inside, 2 braids of high-tensile steel wire provide reinforcement and added durability. This construction helps the hose withstand pressure and prevents failures. This feature enhances the hose's overall strength. This hose meets SAE 100R2 at standards, ensuring it meets industry requirements for pressure. This compliance guarantees its quality and performance. It's a trustworthy component for your hydraulic system. What we like. This hose is built to handle some serious pressure, rated up to 5,000 psi. Its solid steel fittings ensure it can withstand tough conditions, and the oil-resistant tube keeps it flexible. If you're working with heavy machinery or high-powered equipment, this is the one you need. What people say. The quality of material and assembly is a 10 could not be better. These are good quality hydraulic hoses. Number 4. Apache 983999064 Hydraulic Hose Assembly. This hydraulic hose assembly is designed for high-pressure applications. It's built to handle demanding tasks with ease. This hose is rated to handle pressures up to 5,000 psi. It's a reliable choice for your hydraulic needs. The solid steel fittings ensure durability and a long lifespan. This design helps it withstand tough conditions. The black nitrile tube provides flexibility and oil resistance. This feature helps it perform well in various environments. 2 braids of high-tensile steel wire reinforce the tubing. This reinforcement adds durability and ensures it can handle the pressure. This hose meets SAE 100R2 at standards for pressure. You can be confident in its performance and safety. What we like. This pre-assembled hose is also rated to 5,000 psi, just like the first one. It features durable steel fittings and an oil-resistant tube. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution without sacrificing quality, this is a great choice. It's ready to go right out of the box. What people say. I'm using this hose to extend the water drain from the bottom of my air compressor to make it easier for me to regularly drain the water from the air tank. Typical air hose tends to swell over time, but this hydraulic hose will never swell and will likely last the life of the compressor. The hose is good quality and fit perfectly. Solid hydraulic line for my Terramite. No leaks. What else can you say? Number 3. Apache 390354004 Hydraulic Adapter. This is the Apache 390354004 hydraulic adapter. It's designed to connect 2 male pipe thread hoses together. This adapter ensures a secure and reliable connection. Built for durability, this adapter features solid construction. This ensures a long lifespan, providing you with dependable performance over time. The adapter utilizes a metal-on-metal connection. This design provides a strong and tight seal, preventing leaks and ensuring efficient operation. Installation is quick and straightforward. You can easily connect the hoses with this adapter, saving you time and effort. It connects 2 male pipe thread hoses. This allows for seamless integration within your hydraulic system, ensuring optimal functionality. What we like. This adapter is designed for connecting 2 male pipe thread hoses together. It's built with solid construction for a long life and features a metal-on-metal connection. If you need a reliable and straightforward way to join hoses, this adapter will get the job done. What people say. It's accurately described and well made. Quality construction. Worked great, no issues. Number 2. Professional Parts Warehouse Meyer Hydraulic Hoses 21856. These are aftermarket hydraulic hoses from Professional Parts Warehouse. They are designed to replace your old Meyer hoses. This product ensures optimal performance. The hoses are 1/4 inch in diameter and 45 inches long, equipped with swivels for easy installation. This design allows for flexible movement and secure connections. These hoses are specifically designed for angling applications. They are built to withstand the pressures and movements required for efficient operation. This makes the product a reliable choice. This product directly replaces Meyer part number 21856. It is a perfect fit and offers the same functionality. You can easily upgrade your equipment with this replacement. The hoses also replace Bayer's 130, 4030 and NLP SNP 6156. It offers a versatile solution for various equipment needs. The product provides a cost-effective and dependable solution. What we like. This hose comes with swivels for easy angling, making it a versatile option. It's designed as an aftermarket replacement for several models, so it's a convenient choice. If you need a flexible hose for angling applications, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The hose is well made and appears to be of high quality. The fittings are solid and appear to be well crimped. The hose is flexible and easy to work with. Number 1. OTC 9768 8-foot hydraulic hose. This is the OTC 9768 hydraulic hose. It's designed for heavy-duty use and built to last, providing reliable performance in demanding environments. The hose is 8 feet in length, offering flexibility and reach for various applications. This length provides ample distance for your needs. Despite its strength, it's lightweight, making it easy to handle and install. The rugged construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. Featuring a 1/4 inch inside diameter, it ensures optimal fluid flow. This design contributes to the hose's efficient operation. This hose can handle operating pressures up to 10,000 psi. It's built to perform under high-pressure situations, ensuring safety and reliability. The hose complies with MHI standard IJ100. This compliance guarantees the product meets industry standards for quality and safety. What we like. This hose offers an impressive 8-foot length, giving you plenty of reach. It's also lightweight and rugged, making it easy to handle. If you need a hose that can cover a long distance without sacrificing performance, consider this one. What people say. Needed a 10,000 psi hose for my hand pump quickly, and this was what I could get that had quick shipping. I was surprised to see it was proper Parker hose, so that relieved me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.